marinated chicken. It's day 2 of glamping. We couldn't woke up early because it's too cold. But now let's have some brekkie. And today's brekkie is aloo paratha. I have atta already with some aloo, but I need to prep all stuff together. So we'll be doing that now in this stove. We do have tawa, we do have all the things that I need for aloo paratha. And yeah, but it's super cold, guys. It's in the morning. It's 8 o'clock, I think, already, है ना? It's 8, but it's cold. One thing that we have realized is we need a mini kitchen while doing glamping, but this one didn't have, which I knew. I thought we will manage, but we are still missing up few things. So it feels like it in future we will be booking tents with mini kitchen at least. We do not need the whole kitchen like a proper kitchen, but a mini kitchen would be good for us. Other than that, room was very comfortable. Last night we had a good sleep. There was a heater, bed is comfy, no complaints regarding that. So very nice.
चाय
सुबह से चाय चाय बोल चुके, पर एक बार भी चाय बना के नहीं पिलाई है, सिर्फ गर्म पानी पिलाया। मैंने गर्म पानी पिया अभी तक।
पहले पराठा, दो बार चाय थोड़ी नहीं पियेंगे।
नाक पूरी रेड हो रखी है ठंड से। सो क्यूट। हम अब कपल लग रहे हैं, देखो। चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट दी ब्रेकी नाउ। ब्रेकी टाइम। मैंने प्रेप करना है सब कुछ।
जस्ट चाय मैंने बनानी।
कितनी ठंडी है इससे पता चल रहा है धनिया जम चुका है। धनिया मैं बेचारे में जान, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये पूरा आइस हो चुकी है। वी नीड जिंजर एंड आलू मैं ऑलरेडी बॉईल करके लाई थी, बट वो एकदम ही फिर से इसको भी ठंडी लग गई है, तो इसको ठंडी ना लगे बोल के इसको गर्म पानी पे रख दिया है। फर्स्ट पराठा। दिस इज आवर सेटअप हमने कर लिया है। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को सेटअप, बहुत ही कन्वीनियंट। गैस इधर है, पराठा इधर है, सामान यहाँ पर है, और अब गाड़ी वहाँ रख देंगे तो ताकि हवा ना आए। मजा आ गया गाइस, you should try this. Have glamping at least once and cook your food by yourself. And गरम गरम खाना खाने का, खुले खुले वातावरण में खाने का जो मज़ा है अल्टीमेट है। हालांकि हवा चल रही है हमें बहुत ज़्यादा चैलेंजेस फेस करना पड़ रहा है। ये दिख रहे हो चैलेंजेस मेरे? हवा भी चल रही है, गैस ख़त्म हो जाती है, बट यू गोटा डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, राइट? खाना भी खाना पड़ेगा। बट आई लाइक दिस थीम, आउटडोर, आलू का पराठा विद मलाई, विद लिटिल ठंडी। थोड़ी देर में मिस्टर काफले चाय बनाएंगे, गरम गरम चाय। आई लाइक इट। दिस ग्लैम्पिंग इज टोटली वर्थ इट। हवा और चलने लगी है और ठंडी हो गई है, बट चाय की तैयारी भी हो रही है। एंड थैंक गॉड सन आ गया है, तो अब थोड़ा सा अपने आप को गर्म करने का, बाहर से गर्म करने का। अंदर से तो आलू पराठा खा के हो गए गर्म। कैसा रहा आज का आपका मॉर्निंग का एक्सपीरियंस?
मॉर्निंग पराठा ने मस्त बना दी। थोड़ी ठंडी तो है बट स्टिल चाय भी पी रहे हैं तो न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा। तो अभी तक मस्त जा रहा है।
मज़ा आ रहा है?
मजा आ रहा है, मजा।
अब तो हमने बैठ के धूप सेकनी है।
क्या जाना पाएंगे?
वहाँ बैठने मिलता तो और मज़ा आ जाता। वो उधर उस जगह पे, उस पे या उस वाले ऊपर वाले पहाड़ पे या नीचे वाले पहाड़, किसी पे भी, या फिर इधर भी बैठने मिल जाता तो मज़ा ही आ जाता। इज रेडी नाउ। हवा बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही है, अंदर जाना पड़ेगा। चलो गाइस, बहुत बहुत ठंडी है, बाहर नहीं बैठा जा रहा, बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चल रही है। तो हम अंदर जा रहे हैं, अंदर हमने पहले से हीटर लगाया हुआ था, सो इट्स वार्म एंड कोजी इनसाइड। चाय पियेंगे यहाँ पे। इस बार हमारे पास ना डोर है, पिछली बार वाले पे डोर नहीं था, वो था जिप काइंड ऑफ थिंग था। कीप हाइड्रेटेड, कीपिंग माई लिप्स हाइड्रेटेड, माई स्किन हाइड्रेटेड, एवरीथिंग हाइड्रेटेड। आज पानी पीना है, कल पानी बहुत कम पिया था, तो यस। अंदर भी अच्छा लग रहा है, कोजी कोजी, वॉमी वॉमी, नाइस। सो ये है अंदर का वातावरण, गरम, अच्छा। अब अंदर बैठा जाएगा, चाय पिया जाएगा। मैं चाय लेकर आई, अब हम चाय पियेंगे। Cheers! Very nice, yummy. While we have orange, let's talk about how we booked this glamping and how far it is. So I booked this. Just want to give you few information if somebody is interested to book something like this. I booked this through Airbnb, but the region or the area is Sunshine Coast Hinterland and near Mount Bill. So if you search in Airbnb what type of glamping or tenting or cabins you want, there are heaps of options. You can choose like any. I was after cabin, then I found this one. I found this one more interesting, aesthetic. That was the reason I chose this one. This one costed me around $450 for 2 nights. Otherwise, I think that's the cheapest with decent amenities. If you do not want any of the amenities, you will get more cheap options. But if you want basic amenities at least, then I think 500 is the starting point for 2 nights. And very important thing that I want to discuss is the timing of these Airbnb bookings. So when you book, say you book for 1 night, that means you will be checking in like today at 3 p.m. So you have your timing starts from 3 p.m. You have one night, and the other day you have to check out before 10. So I don't think that makes any sense. At least book for 2 nights, because you come at 3, you just have the evening, and then like we usually what we do is we have our evenings, and then we spend one whole day and 2 nights, and then on the third morning we check out. So I think that's the minimum stay that you have to stay for these kind of glampings. Otherwise booking is not allowed. That would be the minimum, like 2 nights. That's very important, because when I was booking I was getting so confused, because in my mind, if I book for today, say today is 5 June, in my mind it's like I will be checking in 10 a.m 9 a.m and then I have whole day. It's not like that. Your day starts from 3 p.m only, so be mindful of that if you are booking. So from Brisbane to Maroochydore it's 1 hour 45 minutes. And from Maroochydore to this area is another 45 minutes. So you can have an idea how far we are from main Brisbane city. Not for us, because we are from Sunshine Coast. Of course you are booking for camping, glamping, which means food is something that you need to arrange. You cannot expect the provider to provide you food. Some in some places they will offer you welcome drinks or snacky kind of thing, which will only have cheese and some crackers with the light wines, but also they charge for that. So that's totally upon you if you want to have that. Otherwise have your own food, arrange that, be prepared for food, be prepared for like get all the basic things along with you when you are doing glamping, camping, any sort of thing. These kind of stays are very busy. They are not available easily. You cannot just book a week before. So this one also I booked 5 weeks before, because they run out easily. Like I was aiming for another Airbnb and that was booked. That's how I came and I chose this one, because I didn't know about this one. I was after another cabin, not a tent but a cabin kind of glamping. Try to book like 2 months before, because it's good. And in some places they give you good time of cancellation as well if you are not sure. Like in this one as well, they allowed me up till 13th of June, I think. 14 was my check-in, and up till 13 June they said like they gave me certain time. If I want to cancel, I can cancel. So that's good. So have your booking on time, otherwise you will regret, because good places go out easily. This is our second glamping. First one we did in extreme summer, and this one we are doing in winters, and I have no regrets. Like I won't suggest any particular season, because I love the summer glamping as well. It has its own charm. In winter you can do fire camping, and in summer you can have shower or bath in open area, and you can also enjoy swimming in creeks. So that obviously in summer is more delightful and more enjoyable, whereas in winters fire camping, soaking up sun, it's more comfortable in winter. So both seasons are good. Just few things that you need to take care is, like if you are coming in winters, have a extra blanket if in case, and like we had extra blanket as well with us, because you never know. But the good thing was they have heater. And in summer only thing is that you would need to take care is have a insect repellent to so that bugs and mosquitoes don't give you bites. So I think I have covered up everything, and yeah, we will be relaxing, eating our food. That's it. There is no network, but still he manages to arrange network, and he saw match, and his team has already lost the match this time. Probably I will be doing some painting and all, and then
Cooking.
We'll be doing cooking today because I've already done. That's it. Eat, relax, chill. That's the aim of glamping. Nothing else we are doing. Yeah. Alright. If you have any question, you can leave comments. I'll get back to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. बस ये बताना और कुछ
और कुछ तो नहीं, बट एक सरप्राइज। चलो।
हाँ कहाँ
चल वो तो सही सरप्राइज है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना पता चलेगा।
Guys, he proposed me. Oh my God, he proposed me after 7 years. What should I do? Oh my God, he's already married. Please congratulate me because I am engaged now. We are getting married soon. Thank you. Bye. I'm engaged. Again. No. So he's going to make some tea because it's getting cold again. And I will be doing a little bit of my cartoon sketching and painting. So pretty. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम? आगो पालने का लगी लकड़ी लेने? यहाँ नीचे कहाँ जा रहे हो फिर? हम नीचे नहीं गिर जाएंगे वहाँ से?
नहीं गिर जाएंगे, इधर से आओ।
चलो चलो। कोई बेटे इतना बड़ा? ओहे ओहे। हाँ चलो। ओए मम्मी। We use this. This is all rainwater, and we used rainwater for toilet and shower thing. So tap water was not suitable here for drinking. We had our own water. Isn't it? Oh my God. The view, the sunset view, oh my God. कहाँ जा सकते हैं?
अब इधर गाड़ी में तो लगा है क्या?
इधर से नीचे भी नहीं जा सकते ना ऐसे करके? Yellow color, green color, oh my God. That's our kitchen. That's our fireplace. This dinner is marinated chicken हमारे पास ब्रेड पड़ी है, ब्रेड, और मैं सैलेड अभी काटूंगी. Cucumber, olive, lemon. I have added black salt in this, and then we have this cucumber, which is a ready-made pickle, which you get from Coles. So, yep. Perfect. This is our dinner for today night. We are packing, doing all packing. Everything is almost packed. Night view. Boy. Dessert of the night. Yummy. Okay guys, say bye bye. Bye bye. Guys, it's time to check out now. We have done all our packing and we are ready. Just doing few bits and stuff, clean up the place before we check out. It's time to say goodbye to this beautiful tent. And yeah, that's it for this vlog as well. I'll see you in next vlog, and hopefully we'll have another plan soon. Until then, take care and bye.